Hello, everyone. If you're looking to enhance your professional presence on LinkedIn, Hypefury's LinkedIn integration is just what you need. Let's dive into how you can automate your LinkedIn account with Hypefury. Firstly, log into your account and connect your LinkedIn account to Hypefury. You can do that by clicking on your profile icon, then select Settings. Here you will see Connections option on the top menu. Simply click on it, scroll down, and you will see the option to connect your LinkedIn account. Now, let's start by creating a new post. You will see the Create option on the bottom left of the page, or you can also use the button on the left sidebar. Now choose your LinkedIn account form, this drop-down menu. Type anything that you want to share with your audience. You can also preview your post by clicking on this Preview button. With this integration, you can effortlessly cross-post your tweets or even threads to your LinkedIn profile. Simply click on Schedule option. Choose a time that you want to post, or you can post now by clicking here. And now it'll automatically appear on your LinkedIn profile. But that's not all. Hypefury also allows you to schedule posts exclusively for LinkedIn. Here's how. First, add your LinkedIn slots to your posting schedule by going to the Schedule page and click on Add Slot option. Now choose LinkedIn and hit Save. Then, head to your queue and add your post by selecting the LinkedIn slot. In the LinkedIn Composer, craft your post and choose whether to post it publicly or privately. Hit Schedule and you're all set. Your LinkedIn post is scheduled to go out at the designated time. And remember, LinkedIn gives you the option to post either one video or up to 9 images. When cross-posting, any media attached to the tweet will be included, provided it adheres to LinkedIn's limits. With Hypefury's LinkedIn integration, elevating your professional presence has never been easier. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Hypefury for free.